Welcome students. In my last video we have learned how to draw a line parallel to given line, and the perpendicular distance between two parallel lines is always the same, and the perpendicular drawn at 2 points on the same line are parallel. That means if L is perpendicular to M and N is perpendicular to M, then L is parallel to N. Now activity 3. In the figures below, M and N are lines parallel to line L. This M is parallel to L and N is also parallel to L. And T is an inclined line intersecting these lines. Now measure the angles in the figure and complete the table that follows. To measure the angles, we extend line L. Now measure the angles with the help of protractor. Angle 1 is 55 degree. Now measure angle 2. It is also 55 degree, and measure angle 3. Angle is 55 degree. Angle 1, 2, 3 all are 55 degree. Now angle 4, 5 and 6. Angle 4, 0 is left side, so we read outer scale 125. Angle 5, 125 degree, and angle 6 is also 125 degree. Is angle 2 and 3 are same? Yes, angle 2 and 3 are same. Is angle same? But this angle 2 and 3 and 5 and 6 both are corresponding angle. Therefore, lines M and N are parallel to each other. कि यदि L is parallel to M and another line N is also parallel to L, this M is parallel to L and N is parallel to L, then M and N are both are parallel to each other. मतलब यदि कोई दो अलग लाइन एक ही लाइन के पैरेलल है तो वो दोनों भी आपस में क्या होंगे? पैरेलल होंगे. Then remembering points, lines drawn parallel to a given line are all parallel to each other. अगर एक ही लाइन के पैरेलल जितनी भी लाइन रहेंगे वो सब भी आपस में पैरेलल होंगे. In the figure ABCD is a trapezium where AB is parallel to DC and EF. EF and E and F are points on AD and BC respectively. Is EF is parallel to DC? Answer is yes. Why? Here AB is parallel to DC and EF is parallel to AB. Here DC is parallel to AB and EF is also parallel to AB. Therefore, these two DC and EF both are parallel to each other. Reason is lines drawn parallel to a given line are parallel to each other. Intercepts. When two straight lines are intersected by any inclined line, then the intersected part between the two straight lines is known as intercepts. In the figure, line L and M are intersected by the line N. L and M are intersected by line N. And the intersected part AB is known as the intercept. AB, this AB part is known as intercept because it is the inside the space between the two lines. It is not necessary that the two lines L and M are parallel to each other. ये जरूरी नहीं है कि line L और M क्या हो parallel हो. Practice 3. In the given figure, identify the intercepts and fill in the blanks. Here, CD is intercepts. In figure 3.12, AB is intercepts. And figure 3.13, there are three intercepts. First, PQ. Second, QR. And third, PR. Now, activity number 4. In the given figures, the line P contains 3 points A, B, C in a way that AB is equal to BC. Here, length of AB and length of BC are same. Three lines L, M and N have been drawn passing through these 3 points intersecting there. Line L, line M and N. Three lines are inclined by line T, which intersect the line L, M and N at point D, E and F respectively. Now measure the length DE and EF. The length of DE is 0.8 and measure of EF is also 0.8. DE is 0.8 and EF is also 0.8. Is DE equal to EF? Yes, DE is equal to EF. Figure 3.16. Measure DE and EF. Measure DE is 0.9 and measure of EF is also 0.9. In figure 3.16, 0.9 and 0.9. Yes. You can also measure with the help of a scale DE and EF and fill the remaining blanks. We have find if AB and BC are same, then DE and EF is also same. We conclude that if a transversal line intersecting three parallel lines produce equal intercept, then the other transversal will also produce equal intercept. यदि एक ट्रांसवर्सल थ्री पैरेलल लाइन के साथ इक्वल इंटरसेप्ट रखता है तो दूसरा ट्रांसवर्सल भी थ्री पैरेलल लाइंस में इक्वल इंटरसेप्ट रहेगा. फॉर एग्जांपल, line L, M, N. These are three parallel lines, and A, B, C, these are equal. Suppose 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. Then D, E, F. This also D, E, and E, F are same. Whatever that is 0.9 or 1.1. If AB and BC are same, then DE and EF is also same. Exercise 3.1. Question number 3. In the given figure, A is parallel to B is parallel to C, and L and M are two transversal. A, B, C, three parallel lines. L and M are two transversal. If PQ is equal to QR, length of PQ and QR same, is ON equal to NS? Why? Since A parallel to B parallel to C and transversal L make equal intercepts, PQ equal to QR, therefore ON is equal to NS. Reason: if a transversal line intersect three parallel lines produce intercept, then other transversal will also produce equal intercept. Question number 4. In the given figure, AB is parallel to DC. AB parallel to DC. EF is parallel to AB. EF is parallel to AB. And E is the midpoint for the line segment AD. E is the midpoint of AD. That means length of AE and ED are same. Then first is AB is parallel to EF parallel to DC, and why? Second question is F the midpoint for the line segment CB, why? Answer first, yes, AB is parallel to EF is parallel to DC. Yes, AB is parallel to EF is parallel to DC. Reason: here AB is parallel to DC and EF is parallel to AB. That means EF and DC both are parallel to AB. And we know that all the lines drawn parallel to a line are parallel to each other. Solution 2. since E is the midpoint of AD, therefore AE equal to AD. Now AB is parallel to EF and parallel to DC, and transversal AD make equal intercepts AE-ED. Therefore, other transversal BC will also make equal intercept BF equal to FC. Reason: a transversal intersecting three parallel lines produce equal intercept, then the other transversal will also produce equal intercept. Now BF and FC are same, so F is the midpoint of BC. Thank you, students.